Hello everyone, Sam here. In this video, I'll break down blockchain nodes in 2025. I'll show you how to set them up, how much a single node may generate per day, how to scale efficiently, and why node running has become so popular this cycle. Before we begin, I want to mention my Telegram community. It's where we share real results, chat with like-minded people running nodes, and stay in the loop with the latest updates. Feel free to join, link in the description. So with that, let's get started. What is a blockchain node? It's a computer that stores the blockchain, validates transactions, and keeps the network decentralized. For node runners, it's more than just a computer. It's operational infrastructure. You're running actual network validation, and the network compensates you for that service. How much does a single node generate daily? Take a look. Results may vary based on your computer's performance and internet speed. Don't worry about performance. Running a node doesn't slow down your computer, so you can continue browsing, working, or even playing games while it operates in the background. The real advantage comes when you start scaling. As you run 10, 20, or 30 nodes, that's when things really start to get interesting. Here's how it scales. 10 nodes bring in this number total, minus servers, you keep this. 30 nodes, less server rental, you keep this amount. The key point, you're operating real infrastructure. Your nodes validate transactions, maintain network integrity, contribute to decentralization. This is tangible work on a live blockchain, and you're getting compensated in XRP for running that infrastructure. Back in 2022, early node operators on projects like Celestia, Solana, and Moonbeam received significant compensation for their early participation. As of today, XRP nodes still offer an opportunity to earn on-chain rewards. Now, let's go step by step and see how to set up your own node. Step 1, we need to open the command line on your computer. Press Win+R, type command, and hit enter. Or you can search for a command prompt in the start menu. Step 2, now we need to start the XRP node. To do this, go to the official GitHub repository, link in the description, copy the command to start the node, paste it into the command line, and press enter. Step 3, it will begin syncing the blockchain. This can take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Step 4, once the node is synced, just follow the setup instructions that appear in the command window to complete the setup. Great. The blockchain scanning process is now started. Rewards are distributed daily at the same time directly to the address you provide. If you ever want to change your address in the future, just run the /address command and enter the new address. The next step is to scale the number of nodes. I recommend starting with one node and potentially reinvesting earnings to scale. When scaling multiple nodes, make sure each has its own unique address. Using the same address across nodes isn't allowed. So how far can you actually take this? Well, just a few months ago, I personally began with a single node on my gaming PC, just testing the waters. Today, I run 47 nodes across multiple servers. I've hired a system administrator to help monitor everything. Following my example, you can run nodes on your own computer to test and scale them, or on cloud servers. I recommend VPS services like Contabo or Hetzner. Cost-effective, Windows compatible, with stable connections and no downtime, and easy to scale. All right, here's a quick walkthrough on scaling to multiple nodes. First, go to the hosting website, for example, Contabo, but you can use absolutely any provider you like. Create an account there. Then you'll need to rent a server. You can start with something powerful like an 18-core server. Also remember, when choosing your operating system, make sure to select Windows Server and begin the installation. This can take up to an hour. Once the installation is complete, you'll receive login credentials for your server. Here's how you connect your server. Open the start menu, type MSTSC. That opens remote desktop connection. Simply enter your server credentials, connect, and then repeat all the node setup steps that we went through earlier. And that's it. You've just launched another node. Just remember to check on it periodically to make sure it stays online. And if you want to connect with others doing the same, I run a Telegram community where we share our results and successful cases. I'd be happy to have you there. Do you know what really excites me about this though? You're getting the opportunity to become an active, integral part of the entire blockchain ecosystem. You're contributing to the network's decentralization, helping secure transactions, and supporting the infrastructure that powers the future of finance. And the best part, you're getting compensated in XRP for your participation. Think about it. You're not just sitting on the sidelines watching from the outside. You're actively involved. You're helping validate transactions, strengthen the network, and build the backbone of decentralized finance. And while you're doing all of this, you have the potential to create an income stream that can scale as you grow your operation. That's the power of running nodes. So as you can see, running a blockchain node is not difficult at all, and even a beginner can do it by following this guide. That's all I've got. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. There is plenty of useful content there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.